Hello out there in YouTube land. I'm going to show you some of my balisons today. These right here are swats. They have about a 5-inch blade, and about a 5.5-inch handle. So about 10.5 inches long. Very nice. Blade's kind of a little bit on the narrow side. It's probably about 3 millimeters thick. Made in USA out of 154 cm. Very nice. Very nice. Aluminum scales, flips very easily. Very nice blade. This is a brass swat with the brass handles. This one feels very heavy because the brass is very heavy. For those of you that like heavy flippers. 154 cm USA. Same size, about 10.5 inches. These are Microtechs. The size on the blade on these is right at about 4 inches. The handles are a little bit more than 4.5 inches. So probably about 9.25 or something like that. Beautiful. Microtech. This one's a different one with a different finish on it. Microtech. There's lots of Chinese copies of these that are fake. These are the real ones. You have aluminum handles. I think it's aluminum. Either aluminum or titanium, one or the other. Very lightweight. These are bears. American-made bears. That's a Damascus. That's real Damascus. And bears have really nice thick blades. The handles I don't like that much though. But the blades are really nice on these. Made in USA. I also have the ones with bone scales and all that. Those are really nice. Made in the old style way. This is Damascus Tanto. It only has the grind on one side. The other side doesn't have a grind on it. It's just flat. But that's real Damascus. Really thick blade. Next, these are Monarchs. I love these. Look how thick that blade is. I'm guessing it's got to be at least 5 or 6 millimeters thick. It's like super thick. Stainless steel handles. Get a good look at that blade. These were special ordered, specially made. Took a while to get them. Used to be really into balisons back in the day. This is another Monarch, different blade style. Look how thick the blade is. Beautiful knives. Imagine these are pretty pricey nowadays. Most of these are pretty pricey. I bought them all when they first were coming out. And they weren't super expensive. Ah, the cold steels. US made cold steels. This is when they make knives in the United States. It's an Archangel, the famous Archangels. Let me pull all those out so you can see all the different blade styles. Dagger grind. Archangels. These are all carbon V. I think it's CP3 carbon. Yeah, carbon V blades. These are our carbon blades. That's more of a traditional Balisong blade there. And these over here, oh, this is Parker. That's what it was. Parker. Made by Parker Outdoor Company. These are made in Japan. Surgical stainless steel. This is a Gypsy model. This one's from the 80s. Very old. Stainless steel handles. These were common ones back in the day. Here's one that I made myself from a company that was selling parts that you can buy on the internet and make them. Very nice. Scales are kind of slippery though. But I used to carry this one sometimes. Don't do it anymore though. Very nice. I forget what the name of the company was. There's no labeling on this blade, so I forget what the name of the company was. It was on the internet. It was an American company. And these are Huberts. Some people say these are made in Asia. Some people say they're made in Germany. I don't know exactly where they're made. AISI 420 stainless steel. C. Jewel Herberts. That's the company that makes these. Serrated edge. Look how thick that blade is. And it's got the flat, old flat style Tonto. I don't really care for that style. I like it when there's grinds on both sides. Real thick handles. The cheaper handles though, these were like the zinc handles I think. I don't think they're nice aluminum. There's another one. This one has a full double grind on both blades. Serrated edge, partially serrated. This is called a Herberts Metzer. German Metzer trademark. AISI 420 steel. Very nice. Very heavy duty. These are all my collectibles. I used to like to flip them a lot. Don't really do it. I haven't really been into flipping in a long time. But anyway, those are some of my American Balisongs. Next time I'll show you my bitch maids. Stiletto out. Peace.